Oedd hi'n siom enfawr, fel blwyddyn cyn ni, ond dyn ni wedi symud ymlaen mae'n wneud, so tymor newydd, dyn ni gyd yn excited ac yn barn amdano fe. Pre-season anodd fel mae Christian a Robin bob tro yn neud, ond na, dyn edrych mlaen am y tymor newydd.
Yeah, it took a little while to get over it, I think a few weeks, but obviously what the doctor ordered really, a few weeks off away from football, and yeah, you just got to put it back to the back of your mind, not forget it, but you know, use it as motivation now for the new season, definitely.
Last year we spoke about a development for the football club, and I think this year it's important that we speak about how we respond to last year, and that's the message throughout pre-season so far. We do carry our history behind us, and we look back at that to order to drive ourselves forward.
Mae rhaid i ni rwan jyst i edrych ymlaen eto, ond ydyn ni mewn lle gwell nawr nag oeddwn ni erioed dwi'n credu. So ydyn ni'n gryfach ym mhob ffordd, ac ydyn ni'n gwella, a mae rhaid i ni wella wrth gwrs.
When it comes to pre-season, whilst I like to think that I'm a forward-thinking coach, I'm quite happy in pre-season to be the old-school coach. I don't think it hurts anybody to have some real hard running under the belt, and once they've got that under the belt, then the sharpness hopefully comes.
Da ni trydydd tymor a dim yr hen beth oedd blwyddyn diwetha, y second season syndrome yma, ond na, gobeithio wneud yr un fath a blwyddyn diwetha, ond gobeithio mynd yn un yn well yn mynd i Euro.
We look back at last season, at the end of November, with a full squad, a full complement of fit players, we were top of the league. If we can keep a full fit squad again this year, then I believe there's no reason why we can't be there, because the players will work on their messages, they'll work on their fitness, and we're another year older, which hopefully will give us a little bit more progression.